life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change.
AOTD, answer of the day. Yes, sekarang kita lagi ada di warung sate Rembiga Utama. Jadi ini salah satu tempat di mana sate Rembiga yang pertama. Jadi kalau teman-teman mungkin kalian pernah dengar tentang sate Rembiga, ya udah banyak memang di Lombok, tapi ini yang utama. Penasaran kan? So
but I also wanna be
stay tuned.
I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait, no, it's living with no shame. Wait, no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me.
Jadi sate Rembiga tuh kayak gini guys.
Try to do what you love when it's said and done, cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.
Ini sate Rembiga tuh, ini kalau digambarnya, tapi kalau aslinya, nah, sate ini dagingnya daging sapi, bukan daging kebo. Bedanya di bumbunya, dia bumbunya khas nih. Kita coba ya. Pedes-pedes gimana ya gitu, tapi enak deh. Jadi wajib banget ya buat lo kalau datang ke Lombok harus cobain sate Rembiga. Kalau enggak rugi.
Kalau rasa Lombok namanya mai.
Kalau di sini bahasa mai semeton.
Very delicious.
Warpol. Bahasa Jermannya warpol. Bahasa Indonesianya kenyang banget coy. Daging sapi manis-manis pedes gimana gitu. Jadi kalau datang ke Lombok jangan lupa mampir ke Kampung Rembiga karena di sini ada tempat yang namanya warung sate Rembiga Utama. Ya, tuh Bu Ririn. Mana Bu? Oh iya, warung Bu Ririn.